So baby has started solids, so we decided to order some feeding bowls. Sorry, excuse me. And then he's going to start swimming lessons when he's 6 months old. So because we bought from Biddykins, we decided to buy both those items together. The husband has opened it, so there's a sneak peek. I haven't looked inside as yet, so let's see what it's like. Okay, great. This was mint. This is from nappy. And another swim nappy. Okay, so I'm going to just open one of them. It has a suction at the bottom. Sticks quite well. Sticks quite well. So baby can't move. That's a bit hard for. It can't be moved. This will be the other side. This can't be moved. This side makes it easy to take off, so baby will eat like that. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. It's stuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, so then first swim nappy. These nappies are designed to catch the solids, not to be absorbent. So that's what the inside looks like. You don't put anything in them. You just put them on when they go swimming, and it's recommended to put it on when you reach the pool area and not before the time, like at home if you're driving to the beach or something, because it's not designed to be absorbent. It's a nice color here. I like it. And then there's this one. The back it says summer. So it's very cool. Baby is ready for his swim lessons and to start feeding himself.